Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's market overview, we'll look at gold, euro against the US dollar, British pound against the US dollar, and the NASDAQ index to break down where price may be headed this session. If you're looking for more detailed 15-minute analysis, be sure to check out the live stream later today, where we'll be looking at real-time price action as it develops. But first, let's get into the charts. Let's begin with gold. On the higher time frame, daily candles are bullish, giving us an upside bias. Now zooming into the 1-hour chart, we see that price is trading inside multiple 4-hour bullish fair value gaps, keeping us in discount, so we can expect bullish order flow until price is able to clear the 4-hour order block at 360. We are also due for a liquidity sweep as the last 3 fair value gaps have been filled. If price ends up taking out the bid side liquidity at the start of London session, we can expect a move toward the daily highs above 350. So to recap, the higher time frame is bullish, which gives us an upside bias. The 1-hour chart is trading inside 4-hour fair value gaps, keeping us in discount, and we're due for a liquidity sweep, all pointing to upside potential. For the long-term trend, you should keep in mind that gold is in a mega trend. This means that there will be violent moves in price and sharp squeezes. Right now we're in a squeeze, so be prepared for a breakout in either direction. Next, let's look at British pound against the US dollar. On the higher time frame, the daily chart shows bearish bias. On the 1-hour chart, price is trading inside a 4-hour bearish order block with a bullish fair value gap sitting lower. This tells us that downside order flow is more likely as price has yet to clear the order block. Once price enters the gap, we can expect a move to the 1-day low near 13,360. We are also due for a liquidity sweep as the last 3 order blocks have been filled. So to recap, the higher time frame is bearish, giving us a downside bias. The 1-hour chart is trading inside a 4-hour order block with a gap below, telling us to expect downside order flow, all pointing to downside potential. Moving on to euro against the US dollar. On the higher time frame, daily candles lean sideways to bullish. On the 1-hour chart, price is sitting just above a 4-hour bullish fair value gap, keeping us in discount. We could see upside order flow as price has yet to clear the gap. Once price enters the gap, we can expect a move to the daily highs above 11,720. We are also due for a liquidity sweep as the last 3 fair value gaps have been filled. So to recap, the higher time frame is sideways to bullish, giving us a neutral to upside bias. The 1-hour chart is trading just above a 4-hour fair value gap, telling us to expect upside order flow, all pointing to upside potential. Last but not least, let's look at the NASDAQ. On the higher time frame, the daily chart shows a sideways bias. On the 1-hour chart, price is between a 4-hour bullish order block below and stacked 4-hour bearish fair value gaps above. This tells us that there's an equal chance of upside or downside order flow. Price cleared the sell side liquidity, but the 1-hour change in state of delivery signaled upside flow. So to recap, the higher time frame is sideways, giving us a neutral bias. The 1-hour chart is trading between an order block and fair value gaps, telling us that there's a balanced chance of upside or downside order flow, all pointing to a potential move toward 23,600. To summarize today's outlook, the process stays the same. Daily candles set the bias, liquidity sweep, confirmation with change in state of delivery, retracement into 4-hour order blocks or fair value gaps, delivery toward daily objectives. If you'd like to receive these analyses on a daily basis, consider subscribing. And if you want more detailed real-time analysis, be sure to join us for the live stream later today. I'll see you guys next time.